A topic already now. I want to talk about the topic of today. Many people they ask me, say, Mommy Yore, you too good. I want to let you know the meaning why I too good. I too they give. The reason why. The reason why I like to give. I prefer love more than money. I love human being more than money. And I love God more than money. So the reason why I like to give, I don't be a Christian before I get money. I know they collect money. I know they collect somebody money, join my money. I know they value money past you. I know they respect money past you. Because who know God? If you know Jesus before you get money, if you see anybody where they suffer, your conscience go they judge you. You go they like to they give. It's in the Bible. But there are many people, they not be Christian before they get money. I make not sick and hungry. They don't care. Not sick and make more job. They don't care. Not sick and home. They don't care. He ever feel the only thing I thought we maybe success where they are success. Not sick and the opportunity no ya my they don't care. Here women no me we go Kodzao. Those are the people. Oh, thank you, darling. Those are the people no maka onsa. Okay, so amigo. Evanika onsa ke amigo. When you are looking for documents, that will help you to do it without money. Anytime they want to make friend with you, they make a real friend. They don't make friend because of money. They like to give. So that is the reason why. So it's good to be a Christian before you get money. May you not come get money, you know come get sense. May you not come get money, you come the who you supposed to help. You go say bring money before I help you. Money miss roads. You can't get money miss roads. And when you get money, you not get fear of God. Your money now zero. So please, my people, can receive salo buane so that why you go emigi that way. Ugu value emi rokba. Ugu value emi rokba. Ave mani maka go. Ave mani a Christian. When I see some people here where ike ya ma was there carry go me we. Even some people where I'm go work here Facebook. Honorary Facebook. Or when we go near Facebook. Those are not Christian. If I'm not Christian here where we know my go, they are very stingy. If I'm not Christian, here where uga when you man of yosa, God will reward you 20 times. People when they not be Christian, they know they do free something give person. If they want help you for work, they go say you need a share. If they want show you roads, say you get one daughter where they try where they go say if you not pay me, I know they go. Those are not Christian. Christian people, if he tell you say I get one daughter, he not go ask you money. Even as soon as enter bus, now she go even carry her money. Say, hey, worry, go me pay your ticket ma. Na gba here. I don't go ever total ever. Oh, what the wasted time. Oh, even we are feel bad. Don't we worry, relax. Also, we be born. It don't turn him man. Hey, worry. If we get time for you, those are real Christian. Oh, we go because okasu sene. Oh, hey, what then and we jena. U need joma. Emmanuel a Christian ya. We man need ya. Very major. Also, what me? Here who one needs him because he carry a reposition who one. In a time in normal. That is the reason when they give my people. So be a Christian so that you know this teaching again. You know value money pass human being. Honorary mechanic shop. People when they not be Christian. If you take the Sabbath, show me your mechanic man. You go say no, 50 euro. What is 50 euro? You call yourself a human being. When you know, say, anybody when they do good, there is a reward from God Almighty. Please be a Christian before you get money. Oh, if not so, now air fire now you they go. Because you can't love money past God. And God will strike you. They say evil, money na evil. Yes. But when you are a Christian, if you get money, money cannot control you. But if you not be Christian, money go they control you. Yeah. Money go they control you. So that is it. So my people, please. Money go they control you. Try to be a Christian. For those who never get money, please concentrate with God. It's like a school. Learn a lot of things so that anytime God bless you, you not go bother yourself again. You can even help person for your house without collecting money if God bless you. But I see some people, they get money, but if they want help people for house, they get money, oh, they proud, so they get everything, oh, but the person where they put for their house, if they go choroti, not they get money, he go even know, the person go know, say the person not they get money, oh, that is not the will of God. Consider if you now woman give out, punish you, you need to they give. That is the only way to please your Father when your God bless you. Yeah. That is the reason why they give. The one with me don't give. I don't get her for accounts. The one when I take do sacrifice last year, I don't get her for account. I don't care. Jesus don't already know, say Jordan a giver. Right from the one, not be today I start. I like giving because I don't be a Christian before I get the money. Now I make, anytime I want to make relationship, I know they make them because of money. And they make them say, real love, I love you. If you ask me money, say, borrow me, I go dash you. So now be the thing. If I get, if I not get, I will still tell you, say, I not get. But don't force me. And I not go give yesterday, day before yesterday, I'll come still give today. I not fit do that one. Even Jesus will there, we know my heart. I know the God not say if you they give, may dry your wallet or may dry your account. No. Give and remain for yourself so that you can get more strength to pray, to do your prayer. Please, my people. Not the praise, I want to be rich, when you never know God. You go miss road though. Now you go see some people, when they get money, they go to insult old people. Old woman, they go see her for road. You don't do anything, oh. He go say, my pikin, you pour water for my body. He go say, keep quiet. Old woman, you devil. He go say, me, my pikin, you they insult me because they don't know God. Money miss roads. Money, they control them. They don't know God. Now they call John person money. Something of €2, they go send at €20. They don't know God. Please, be a Christian very well before money come. If not so, it's not good. You may say, what did this woman they talk? I know what I'm saying. And if you want to be rich, always think rich. Never you think poor. If you want to be a millionaire, always think like a millionaire. If you want to be a billionaire, always think like a billionaire. Even if you not get $1 for your account. As far as say you know God. And God know the kind of heart you get. Your billionaire shall always come to pass. A way to be a billionaire not go ever hurt you. And when you go be that billionaire, you go remember people. You not go chop alone. You go they give. Even your own work you say for God go be they give. God give me, I give. Just like say you are guys, you dey tell your papa, say, Papa, if you give me 100 naira, I'm ready to give 70 euro out. Me, I go chop 30. You will see how God will bless you. You will see how God will open door for you. For those who go get 100 euro, they not they give. They go see they find another person. Oh, after they go they make money, say, I don't get money. If you get money, you're not going to play for one night. If you have money, you don't supposed to play for one night. Playing for one night, you are not a Christian. They play person money. Where you they go now? Hellfire. Now hellfire. Please concentrate with God so that God can lecture you. You go be rich, oh, you when they look me, so things go dey okay for you. But if you don't know God, you go over wicked. Oh. Many people too wicked. Many people too wicked. I see somebody, he carry in bicycle. The man get 3 car. The man get money. This boy, he not get anything. He say, Epa, give me your bicycle, make I take go outside. When the boy, they bring the bicycle spoil. The Epa say, the boy must buy new one put. I wish Epa know God before he get that money. As the boy spoil the bicycle, he go say, let me tell you. Follow me go market. I will buy you another bicycle. And the pa will see how God will take reward them. If pa make sure say that boy go do this job, may take buy a new bicycle. This is the man with the sleeper, computer beauty. If pa get many house, if pa get car, if pa even get house girl where they take care of her. But he made sure say the boy buy a bicycle. So those are the people with money they control. They don't know God. They don't know God. People where they don't know God, if they want to do you something that they cross my door, they remember the good way you do for them. Even if you do good for them yesterday, if they want to do you bad today, they don't care. So those are the people with money they control. How can a pa ovio guenene ni rokba odo mwe pa yeke ana suwe mi gota ori de yeko bibigo e pa we no ya gwali go we no ya di yeke jo ade pa wono me imoto no we pari e we bo we na je we bo because e pa ma on salo boa de mon reposition e pa wo kan ri mon reposition ri yani. I can never tell that boy to buy the bicycle. I can even come out for that house where he did. I go rent house, give her. Buy a new bicycle. Tell her, say, start your life. It's good to be a Christian before you reach, brothers and sisters. It's very good. And even if you never see be a Christian before you reach, if God still bless you, try to be a Christian and get a lovely heart for people. Anybody you see, love her. Not commonize people. Anybody way as if you get, give her. If you not still get, God knows say you not get. God will never punish you. As you not get, God will find a way to give you the money. Because you know say you get a heart of give. So now I make my people, I they give. Because I don't suffer. I don't sell plantain for that Benin Kingdom. I don't sell pure water. I don't sell kerosene. I don't say aka, that's kokonyam. Ikunya na ya deki gwere, adoje, ikiyone. Oyiwo, ikiyone, for that Benin Kingdom. So I don't say many things. Oge de na ton, iton ene. Oka na ton, iton ene. So, egeni na ton eni, imaga e Christian. Adimabia amego. So again, do ya like Christian? Imagine we are ego. Ilawe Christian go 20. I have the money. I cannot say I don't have money. I'm a millionaire, and my millionaire is going to circulate. It's going to circulate so that everybody will enjoy it. The whole world will enjoy my millionaire. I will teach other people will be millionaire where they go bank and where they know they bring her come out. I just want God make it do, make I bring them down, make I let them know. Say to be a millionaire, you know they give people, you be poor millionaire. You be poor millionaire. See una village now. For this coronavirus, una want tell me say there is no rich person from una village. Wait, if you say iwa mweva enena yaga a village me, oma common. So all una village, as soon as they look me so, all of una way get village. Una see who do one. Not be said they don't get so, but they are not. They don't have a heart of giving. Please try. Amana everywhere. Not why we they loud. Sometimes we gotta give a sickness at your boy don't disappear. If you they give, you can never get accident. Even if accidents happen, it will never kill you. Even if temptation want to happen, we go wave you, we go still stand. We still stand. That is the reason. I'm not, because the Bible says make we always think like a billionaire. I'm a billionaire. But if I want to do something, I don't look. When I go outside today, I know how much I spend. As I want even concern, now doctor I can't even tell, say make it find me 20 euro. After giveaway. And I don't say that kind of thing before. After giveaway, if I don't spend money when I give people today, if I don't make a calculator, almost 190 euro. 190 euro. Iga ni mave na boy. Be megi day mega nego. Iga mi mega nego. A doctor me give me a 20 euro. When he give say. But I was happy. Iga go when here. Okay, now megi when here. Me na be do me on no very 20 euro we ni me. Is that not a blessing? For me, a blessing on me. A blessing on me. It's a blessing. If not, some people, they not go fit to one. You will see a lady today, the way she they happy. That video, I know quick start to the do one. As I just day Isaka. Now so one brother. He said, say, mommy yore. I say, he not what me. Then I tell the man, I beg. Just wait. He said, you know them? I said, they know me. I don't know them, but they know me. Then the man, he dance. Because I don't quit set my camera now for see the dance. It's good to be good. Good name is better than rich name. The boy dance. Honor for your bodo. Mommy Jore talk me. Oh, Mommy Jore. Since how many years I want to see your face. Oh, Mommy Jore, you are a real queen. Oh, Mommy Jore talk me. Oh, Mommy Jore. He start to sing. Oh my God, I say Jesus Christ. Oh my God. The woman say, another woman crossroads. They don't even care. Say car, they come. Oh, Mommy Jore. Eve and normally pass that place, enter Paris. God bless you. Billionaire one of Russia. God bless you. Mommy Jore. O salama erumene. Mommy before me get set the camera, ya gbe phone. I nearly tears. I wish I have a lot of money today. I don't care. Even now 1,000 euro, I forgive them. Yeah, it's so what we guy. I know my God will reward me back. Because they told me, Oma no me bet. Iyaga we beggar. Oma no many me jemi ama iya we beggar. No money we go say oh yeah, say I be rich person. If you be rich person, you can't do a beggar. Forget say you get house for Nigeria. You are not a rich person. A rich man, the Bible said, my God make me understand, say we're not supposed to beg. So if you like get passport, as well as you they beg, you be poor person. Nah, but God will make you to be rich. If I'm not poor, or or beg you. And the things some people go say, when in the get beggar ya what? No, nyakana. Oh, nyakana. Ye we ya we nyakmo. But we ye egbu ye position no rotate ma. Umamwe egbu ye position no roduku. Veni me jena me mamwe egbu me ye position no rotate ma. I me mwe egbu me yo no roduku. Whether I get or not get. Mommy, you're so happy. You see the woman, he said, a very see oh my God. Oh, Dad, they are Ibe ye bane o ye gbe wa punpo o ye gbo we venye viesin. So ubage me no saloba ya bless some here. Niki Are village now. I never passed that place enter Paris one day. I never passed that place. I don't know the reason why that man go follow that place. The Cameroon man, I don't know. I had that boy too, they know me. If you see, I know that jump. Hey, mommy jore. Vova no me. O salo boire. The woman say, walk many KVS. He may go salo boire dog be me orwe. So I know it Tony. I think I go le million. They think me mama go be wallet when you la motoni I go le million here me ban. Eti me o, but in any talk man okay. Ijo no mete me no mama give me. I tears. Ina wo bere okwo gwa we so egbe choro tina wa o Italia egbe choro tina o wa we mi ya gba le gbe he yo salobola o salobola o choro tina mama o wedo abi onu wa ti choro ti ebega ni hina iya ni we edo we bega wedo iya ma we yan na iyo panya to tai I like give you. I not be mumu to give. But sometimes, when I want they take advantage from me. Then, you know, you want to nana. You ni you want to we buga. Why you want to do ya nego? I walk by the do nego na. Me na the public yon. Wala wo. Ima can't see we webo. Opa nego 4 days ago. Awere yen wu. Owe na we no brother pa from Spain. Imagine bono gwalo. Owe ege. Na oku owe ege. Wala o. Iku abugbe arwa ori bere. Itamu wa ina wege na. Aebe ujobo. Nuwa ya odzo. A secretary orima oni di jobo here we remembrance je your mondion Obama we set you on so no wala wo wani rewebo e so we are do ye e be orin ya e boat orin ya boro igo de kan wa na boro ne ni go yi wa mu a no wa we ma we temata ma wa e sima no reje mi Oma egwu megwa o ejoto yen gugun a. Owi yen me boto, yen vie boto no boro yen go 500,000. Oma ro no ri eni a. Da ma ro no ri eni no joko. we yen vie botonu wa. Ora ma we de no rie nu e. 500,000 do wa be ya epe. O we me nejo bobi la ni na ze. O ka oni ya no na hina. De no we rie wo no be re Paris. Ina we no we video. Wa we ge o di ma we tie here. Because e come e come me maybe o question so na the gift na me. O e wo ga lobo me de wa ya e ko avant mo ya. Beta ko ga e kere. Aga e kere. Ina we no we video. Owe ojuk mo ne ku sise ra wu. Ogele vi e di video. O vie o ma vie o no wijopo ne. So far no ma re runu. No me respect. Then now when we di video re, I amu a YouTube me. O we ku egin yen we. O wa bo si ya mi yen egin yen. Awa si we no gi we ge nu we hu tan ya ko le ni yen ya o se we. Because ya page lo se no se. Veni ya mi we ni go we yin mi go be YouTube. Iye we job on we ku mu we video. But e ku mamu we wa do no be live video. O pa ya kian. No ya go we vie deri e point o pa we nu. They not panora again of a ladi. Only way some me or getting ya gion. Eri ebe ni jijobo. I aru ene we week okpa. Wale we mama we Jamie. A brother we Spain, brother we Paris, Estave Hollands. Iya ene we wikina. Ni ya some program in a maybe me banana first time. Eje na o get us. O me no gie. O saloba na egu sekpa wo bima. O saloba na egi wina pa wo bima. O saloba na egi bega pa we live video na. Saloba mo kwe bega si yo. E week okpa aru ene. Okay, e so me gi ni go mo ha donate woni we so me na gi. E woman no ya ye be momo wa. E ta jigo ne amajero pa ne. Every month ya pay 1 year. And the woman no be wene no be America. O saloba be jobo kan orion. Aru ene be week okpa. Awu be yo. Awu be yo mi ai bugbe ma. Be wa be da me, wa be we ye woman na e win no te fe ba e me e giragbon. O ma no te rie ba e me e giragbon. Yi wina. Aga no na ragbon e na we ijo iri e paki o igo la o. Igo na te pe ne ni mete ni ne na te mi no ri uni. E ro pa ire. Do wa ma enu wa e me wina. But you got just you must to shine. You must to you live kere. I wait 200 euro me baka. Me get a card image bank but not show a red. We met Dio Waban. You know when you are 50 euro, you are la me back way. On not show a red. You go maladia. Me get a card joy. Igige me na me. Na talk man okay. But you mag worry. When we need to be coming. You know when I bavarian, you are one mogba. Igo ike were gbela we next month. Eri wa tave majime. But emi me not tiny o salo boare kete o en we jore. It can give me the thing tomorrow. Cause when me je me oni me ano on my me especially in a bege go mani we emi no mu obugbe. So imo go me bare. Bege ya ona mi o ma. Ya no ori me better o yi ro verio. O yi no. Ya no baba na ori me. But you know. You know why worry. Sometimes me like a life muyo mure. O veri ya we experience say. O vi arri we experience real life na. Real life na. Amok ba we bo ma say amebo e o redu. Ya ni won mebo e o do ya mawo. But ini go ni me ya wijo bobe tuna. Me go ni me ya wijo bobe live video na I setting ka. Obu o 100,000. Ana we na ka go na aga ba eke ya. Abe ma no solo reke ya. O 100,000. Na mo e account. That's all mami. Maybe no saloba we no je but do saloba ma support e o ga win o ga be gbai. Ma ga ye bi ama di eni. Maga yebi ama ti eni. So God bless you all. Look at wo wa ga do nego. Sanore Jemmy no we ya vie be. Ye wa ga tie menesi mamo bo pike call you na because it time wa we no dey na we ro wa tie me. Na you ro wa. My beautiful sister Joy from Spain. Guy ya wo na yo mo egume. I don't receive her. E carton ruo wa. E ma so atagwe yen to be ya dele mi ne. Iya wa ma vio egian e ni meje. A gift in your gimme ni make away program now. From America, from Dublin, from London, from Italy, from Spain, from Germany, from France, you France me rock me de. You France me rock me betia jigo mene. From Italy, I have a fianya gbebo from America, from London, from Nigeria. Na mena na vie mi gimero. So we are going to go atoge amamo mi gume we amami gume. Ba ige ni we from Spain. A Swiss, you know. From a Swiss, from Swiss, abi Switzerland. E won stafette of Ecuador de apart gume. From Swiss, from no, Sweden, from Sweden. So ekele we Europe e wona na imwe give me. Kiro ike. Ba ifenya gbebo. So wa amana munu wa o weri o ma be eche. Eri o ma be eche. Agbon ya opa. Ma wo gwa nwini nwini akpa. So na emi ona ni via ye obun different one no. A double pepper soup. Ona we mwelesi bae. Yaru wo wa. Maybe ahwe. Okay, yon kwa be mi ona gume oreba. Uguga no yedeni awe lo ebe juwa were. Awe guna different one no. Joy love, sister Joy love. Yon vio egume. Zara. Yon sile egume. Then ego rimana ya muela da no we we like no we weni ye. Rimana ritali ona we mwego gume. Oma teme ori ideni ya mo yare no wage megwaro igwa fianyagbe. Emi oma nari emi no o ma appreciate wa mana me no ri enu wa we to ma to then wa amure teta yet pa gbe bet ona ya gba mi gba va the double pepper soup we vie mi gume na esa jo na ati cover e go na o ke le ti I say you are ya mame no muni ya go na be ni ya me je go yo ma me je imate oni pagbe but he must to the way guy every man ore bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nọ́gbẹ́ yọ à àtú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nọ́gbẹ́ yọ erima nọ̀rẹ́ Italy bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn mẹ́gógó náà gúnmẹ́ náà ọ sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́ ọmọ náà ẹ̀rí yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ níjẹ̀ ẹ́ wà ó nu níjẹ̀ kan láti ẹ̀ náà káwé ògúnmẹ́ àwẹ̀ máa wẹ̀ ògìẹ́ ó rí ẹ̀nọ́bà rẹ̀ gbé dọ́tọ̀ when the doctor rí ẹ̀nọ́bà rẹ̀ nù very nice ọ̀gẹ́lẹ̀ dé portable. A picture mo yawe. Bege, a benjo, ije miracle. Every year, ije miracle must to a gift gume. A benjo, iwa be mia. Je miracle what be amo uwe masu benjo. Ami abo na mena vie mi gime. Ije miracle ko wa omo ka self. Okay, so anoka wa so amo mi gume. A Canada every year. Bege ya. Ya se gbe mi ra e no me vie gume ro. Ge egogo na e ogele huwa. Me got me original gogo we yana very nice. Iwa mo yeru mu meba, wa mo dagbe. Eri mana na e omomo o. So we se baba imi o ene. Awa tai se. White Akamiema ge mama ege o. Wa emi no rugwe mana. Get na bia me na moto. Wa begi moto na. Dabanu wa ego nya moto na. Imama no mo na re o. Sister Joy we no a. Imama no mo na re ge kato no ge. Begi dabanu wa ego nya moto na. Wonder. Oh, na tisa na he get this car. Wonder. Na wow. Who should be na wow? The man why I got your motor na the man why I got the motor na give. Oh, na tisa they buy this car can't give. Oh, na tisa na wonder. Na wonder be na me. Okay, na Sister Joy. Na Sister Joy from Spain. A doctor gban yone. Oh, na tisa they buy this car give. Na me I be na wonder. Na wonder. Everybody they say na wonder. Na wonder. Some people say na only 2 people say na perfume. It is you. Me no ko ba wa bi aloe imoto a. Okada look mo ge wonder o. Sister Joy wa bi nu gba je look mo. Ya se gbe ono na ge gbona. Obejo ge wonder ni. Na wonder get am abi na me get am. Very nice car. I don't care what ya bane now. Sister Joy, okay, what ya bane. So when you na imwe give next week. Very nice. Imeni egbono na de na bia mera woto. So baba na here this virgin here. I want the whole world to say because since I was born, I have never seen this kind of car before. So now I'm going to disvirgin it to the whole world. So let's start from the front. Okay. You see how this is perfect. Everybody they say na wonder. Now only 2 people now you get them. Now only 2 people. I see their comments. I say, wow, how they know? Maybe you can't do any. Now let 2 people see. Now I'm going to say na perfume. Now let 2 people. I see their comments say they say na perfume. I say you beating and I bring after we have to say again one time. The person still that time again say no na perfume. Una see Sister Joy. You me go ya Joy. He made me go na jena be very hotel. Yeah, I never see this cat before. Even a Sister Joy, a carton, ton phone, no. A perfume, I know. He, I feel na for Igwe. Now, me and you go use this car. Hey, if you dare lie, you go sit down for front. Me too go sit down for front. This is our car. You see, Hey, Igwe, are you online? See our new car from Spain. I never see this car thing before. A perfume, I know. He made me a day, Sister Joy. God go bless you. I'm on for you know a goods. A Canadian warrior, one more little bit. Yeah, don't too have Italy. Yeah, one more little bit. God got to me when you are dying. He made me born a do. I want to. I don't know. Here in France, here one in France. I never. They don't sell them for France. Sister Joy, oh, you really surprised me. Yeah, with decoration. Me. Oh my God. Mona see. Now where they bini? I beg go. This one a perfume. Oh, Sister Joy, God go bless you. Even though that we I want more so boy. Even ya no get last year. Uga ya sota bona o. Ah, Sister Joy, where gbe mi okweve. O pe ari no ko, when uga mi ogo mani ka wan mo ga lo lave. I maga koko je we ya rile gian we ya fe bona. E uga nisa oga egian we. Uga yoga egian we. Uga mo gbe tugu mo gbe yan egian we. Ah, I maybe mi gbonu na de. Jimmy, mona si. We mi on ye. Iji. Mena kawari. Mema inagwa. Sister Joy wa be ya mugori o gwa be ya de imoto be ge wonda e wonda de gwa yemi ku me na wa atalo ezekpe ina wo ma ina okay etaya ke wona eji ya na e o so ba na we ina we ni me bag etaya ke ni ge be no je me wa ke o wa ke we e pe fe no a I don't know. So evire special la wata ma me gbona na Italia. Do me mi o ega e perfect no. Awa mu egu me we. E katso no ge Sister Joy. Inu wo ya de perfect na yi. O gele nwi. Hiji. Yo. Koya wa balomo baba wese baba ubega we giver never lack me rije gift ni ya na me iji ogwa meke ya mwe me so gwa na meke be do en oru gwa mata mame we sitting sitting in Sister Joy je be Spain ma Sister Joy o wa ya gwa le mi wa si a o wa se va if you need her. A doctor was, oh, thank you, darling. I never seen her before. Okay. You see, and that's many people said they never seen her before. This is perfume. He said they never seen her before. This is perfume. I say 1,000 euro. It go reach 1,000 euro. Now me, I go use the car. Igwe go sit down. Igwe go drive me. Me go sit down for this side. Then we go put Ike pararia webo. Ina we am your man. Yeah, come hey. Malo mu nwa ni jo igi se webo ne ina do de ku yore mege ni je obi amoze obi awe ga mege no pebo we se te oje yan pa we mi we ne kameje yan we mi we ne kameje yan pa we mi we ne kameje oh yan we mi we ni je meje o e blabo awa mi ono na we de gbe pa we are guy iji we mi ohun iye oh my god make me le perfume me mi gbonu na te iji mi we are o na mi tun iye gbegbe na gbera ma oh very nice we na awon ewo gwa ne so na do ami my perfume je gbe gwa le perfume we ami when we beg now we ma we acting anybody know me this is perfume. This is perfume. This is perfume. Original perfume. It go reach 2,000 euro. 2,000 euro. For those say wait they want buy, this is 2,000 euro. A Sister Joy kill go dodo. Ya no je Ghana ya dele go in a met. So she's a secret billionaire. E carry gbe ladian. She's a quality business woman. Eriye gbe ladian no. But some when we go me osik ban no mo go me here. So she's a millionaire. Before a lady can buy perfume on 2,000 euro. I reckon why I get work me no. So Ariane de go diname met. Oh, do on west with the business. Meti we contact wa je Ghana, wa je Togo. Omo budget Ghana, omo budget Togo, but eje Nigeria. If I know ya dele the gold, or you rather here ne Boveri, or maybe ometi joy Ghana CD. Ometi joy Ghana, so we do go ene Boveri. That is the business, you know. She's a quality business woman. A good in a me met, a good in a can met in no. Na me met a business you know do. No salabana remela wana from me like the business in it. There is money. Or they go there 20,000. She can even sell it 70,000. A checking it. So a Ghana Togo Oju do onua always with the business of a Senegal. Or a Senegal. So Sister Joy, God go bless you. Make una donna now. It's monajo a man because of Dubai. Or travel all over the world. Or a America. Waya wagwale no bag and wa se ba wa ya no wa ya we mo bo la kebo. Sister Joy like we have la why e wa call a doctor one maybe a doctor material no bag no wa don't accept one at your marajo cause so mesero wa So God bless you. This is 2,000 euro perfume. February, I get a Guano ma egu ebe ya na wano ma be iwa opportunity ma wa ina. Wow. So na baba, let me keep it. When my ego come before I go use them. Better yeah. Mommy, please. You need that. No need that. No need that. 2,000 euro. I'm not gonna be na mi yek bama. Wa mi yek be 1 month elanyo wek bere. Do anybody know where the business of the golds? Wa have 20,000 yes one. Okay, say 1 year you become a. Okay, say 1 year you gonna you know you go when you was 100 or 200,000. But a gold in ama met you know. Original gold. When you have vule la time gun and the roya scare. A business you know. Do you have a bug bad way? But to saloba keri me you bona me if no me have a debanete. So God bless you all. Elane doctor amwere na. Double pepper soup. Double pepper soup one of Italy. God will bless you. Me tell me make belesina. Anybody know any adukmo? A double pepper soup or wagwa adukmo. Ge na managi de lesi no haloma vegbe. Lesi awa inigo na yakion. No. They no na de na they call it how did that call it? That is okiokpa. What okiokpa ebe boy? What is the meaning of okiokpa ebo? Okiokpa wagme la dia. Please, if you know the meaning of okiokpa, the meaning of okiokpa English, monahi. Okiokpa meaning. Oh, ya zo ebe bona. Okiokpa. Wa document have correct English. Monahi. Ami ede gbava. I know where we go ya do have a joy organo or fit on and off for. I don't fit on and nekwi. We are one music sister. Why we a watch. Gay or gawano. Very nice. Double pepper soup. We are not good monarchy. Go la this where you over ya. Be over ya mose. I no need no bag. We call it doctor. Me no bag. Adere gan. If you get gan. When you're glazing or so, me fear we go with you. Why we waiting while you were bagay. Ave me or not do not be need eh. Of you way do land this in a boy. I'm not need to have you way no. If you're going to your fear gume. Double pepper soup from Italy. So I have one me or not. We all die yo opposite by so where's the double pepper soup wama me te make book mona to maybe do it I got a better bras in here. God bless you all. Me I je tan we na me ga de epo me iru arwa you me ba wa na ma gbon Wana maga a double pepper soup. Your coin gume wa bega ya. Wa we do e ban sister. Ye where me yona or segbebo. I'm a grade 1. I'm a grade 2. I'm a grade 3. I'm a grade 4. This is grade 1. This is grade 1. You understand? Original grade 1. We no jeve monti na ri o jeve ukpono de. O we no kwa we o we do lu e. FCA. So I need to know bag or we can land this in a gbe oko. Call it doctor beg sister. We watch it can in one way. See oh we no ori ebuku. or when in Romomo or do I. This is grade 1. A grade 2, grade 3 yansi. Or honey perfume ma de kan yansi. So double pepper soup or mocking. When anyway, God bless you. Beggar your vieni na wagumena. Gay your view ever see yoga, ever see my ogoto. No one am marry me. So, Star Joy, your dollar book mona gume. I book mona your dollar carton river, gay new one. I made way your dollar original Yawaki, and AliExpress, eh? Okay, you're on AliExpress. AliExpress, I'm even no dog here. This is original. Beggar, yeah. Organo. A carton in von. A carton, no, I'm wearing a hina. Here way. Sister Joy, where say Ekiwe Dio? Avec domie via dono be hero godi. Ekiwe Dio. And then ya jono na Bego no na very fine. Sister Joy we sileri. Sister Joy, aya we say we ni wa mi na. Very nice gown. Very nice gown. Where say Sister Joy? Where say ukmo wa mo salobua. Ijimi ukmo wa mo wa ni. We agwala run Ivani adogo me arrange. No, igwe ni ve ya gbodzen. Wa ma ni me ya wa mi atian mi fo. I'm a businesswoman now. It's my job. Wagume when ya. Not your mama, but your mama. Okay. Guy, me yona. Okbo. But I'm a grade 1, I'm a grade 2. I'm a grade 5. This is grade 1. On a marking here and reason. You understand? So, why go double pepper soup joy wa mio SCA is grade 1. Adebe kuwa a grade 2 or kuwa grade 3 kuwa. We are what a grade 1 you how see a grade 2 you how see go. This is grade 1. If it's a hona make boy na me not bomb and it's a hona way ya kuwe SCA and very cheap. Kwa do land this we select in na by sister nous we change do make a loi de loi o be vie e face we be ladia o da fon we be ya like we den wa lo je short nika small top no da fon ri e ho o wa be je gbegun ni jo no wa be lo e de necklace jo wa lo e o manage necklace e ga ni even shape wa lo e na ho no e boba jo wa lo yan pa so grade 1 double pepper soup wa won e fake o wa pa we di yon man gwa do eki ya de grade 5 grade 3 ave man gwa do eki or the grade 5 or isi we tamia was here we yon we this is original grade 1 so wa ni de no bagati doctor baba na ya wa other 1 week umi o ene o wa mu gwe wa o gba na mu ge doctor the doctor ma je la post ya collect double pepper soup we say o. So, I'm no be Star Joy with the business. A business say raw goods. You go running. How much? May you call her now? No, it not that she dash me. Not that she dash me. I not pay. You ma dey up. I me na fio go imasa. Hook my massa. E perfume go any massa. Don't be arrested, not they responsible. Uti eme, upi aneme girlfriend. Eme umoku, uti eme video call. Ugele guy do responsible say, do fresh. When it go allergy, no do evi go na. why TV video call dina like you uti doctor we no dey no be star joy no wa be star joy ga iguanu do tie be we ka TV video call because say wa yo book be na ara mu wa la jam video o ko so wa bo o ko ma so wa bo wa me gbogbo wa be Facebook wa me gbogbo wa be video re ma be so wa popular na very on wa ga go say work party we bros I see you for Facebook
9 3
hello
mommy call
hey osati wa we jebe
mommy la I wa de na no wa ba ka dini en ko ni keke we money tí ó ní te de jo wa wa
double pepper soup of him when ka be doctor
you know by we me my number
double doctor me no bagel la dia no go be tie no bagel la dia
okay we see
ko eruwe ma no ama ma
new member again
okay new member hin
but no be doctor equipment
doctor agbon la dia ba ogbon la dia ba ya tie di number won ni wa to be tie la dia
okay deni fien na ni
piano ma mata ari pia ni si oku ayo wa tin ya kewe bo de mi gi owo kiyan beti pe so ni ri oku o we bo wa da no wo kun wa ma be kene wa yo jebo ipe ari ya no wa friend na ni wa si oku ayo wa iya wa dupmo gi owo kiyan iya dupmo gi owo kiyan na wo iya be ko post so o so wa kinu tawo yen dupmo gi yo sasi we do jigo bo we awon no da luggage
9
hello Italy
hello call mama
osati we lo we o doko lo enu ya watch me lo esadi we
okay osati we okay lo ene mommy no be sister joy good sister joy egu call we mama
we no ko uti video call na mu we la damadi owo duka we chenchro na de tut ka duziga na beto ukelela we bo na make nine because wa anya yari oku no o ma gwu ya yari oku no kin go di o keke na wa enwe na ya do ye re go mu so uti video call we WhatsApp no get you what to we ti video call because they start join ogme so 200,000 yowa 500,000 yowa so ma keke na mu easy ga
3
uti video call de tu leve do u leve ko u leve Italia de France na make nine hello
mommy yore atokpe
ise
oba atokpe
ise
mommy yore ese we ri gbo e o
ise o
nu na e ba gbo we
ise
omo eri ya na ya nyagmo to so wo bono ma
ise ya nwa me ise
mami yore wese we ni pon we imoko li bedere na kama we ite oni rigo be ni awe awe una ano we di meme e cardina women una leru me na imeti avie mo okonu we 40 euro na wo po be na
wenu a
mewano masoli we bedere una we ma we testimony me ba wa watch we una we o solo bo abe we ni abe give testimony imeno imagwa be 40 euro na katewe bo ba na 40 euro ni my ba na 20 euro ni no pa be na de na sa bo ade ba we
so we me mi bu po be na
me wa no money
wa ma be ga gbon na o ko e ma re ye de ti o eyi
wa to pe kemi no video budget o do na nu
e ise wow
ọmọ ọgavun wo wa igo ọgavun wo wa eri na ya nyagmo ya ọgavun wo wa
ise
salobo adebawe wese kakabo mami yoro wese wa do
ebega yan we wa o
no isoro na we ni aya we ege no gbera na we ni me ya what those kind na we last year ni 2019 ni that of 2029 juku all those kind things etimete ya jo mebege ya jo ibe migo so nugo be rigo ni mawo ebe na yon be di mi ari de no we set ibe jupo ona do re mi ari e ba ni obe gbera obe seje ne do ma gbera ye ya manage system
Yo, iya rigo nu kwa beba.
Si ma be mi go. Sawasi.
Yo, e ko ya wa balo. Imagine no ya bege me we moto be na. Hiji.
Because the message we are giving message in the message every again. We no gay. We message because Google more Google. The message you know what I even no concern me or concern me. He will send the again. He will not watch it. Even now we. He wa Google me mojori. Na to let me get it doge mojori.
You know what? Mo pa fa gbeyan. Iye ka wa fi obodo. Iji.
Oh, me ato go saloboa ya nwame ne bidiori. Na imega avie ga na do mi me ne obi ani me ya se bara 8 ke do se bani €1.50 mega are. €1.50 ke do bless me €40 before il va que do arriver me na. O ve mette se gane et metro mena de legbe we gbe na so saloboa yo come bome gisu geme ina wo de gbe aripo e me ye gbe ko na be me ya o yo ba ni me mamu de me wa ye gbe kepila ni e me na wa wo be mo me yo re ya fi po gbura ro lebo we ade
yo
saba de ba we ga ye Facebook o honi abeg me mara imamu emu e gbe agia
o ma se gbe agia e choro ti ma se gbe agia o ma se pocket picker o ma se yao o ma se wino
wa no mommy ibe mo ye video mo ye Facebook ga ye Facebook ni abe bege o honi ya ni gbe ni ya no ogie we no ogie mo ka me
mami e gugwe no hi so ni la fi wa
no una when it ni area we una we me ka de gu me una le me le do ka me ya e ka ni ko ti area we
o we last week ma na no na ona we ya rigo ye YouTube ye me na ya we ye me ka di na e gworo solo but so we me wa rigo na ve na oh my god
na we mo to ti we so so ba no get so me be wa ti we ne wa mu sabo we sabo ade ba we sabo ari ti ba we tu no ya nwini na ngona we mu nana
ise
we se kakabo we se
usta we ise come e more blessing you
amen we se
yo so ile la fi waje bege mi jama na u de tuwe o venu o de ni ta o bana wen se ti we o do malaki me bana o bege we hian every ma do ma no malaki me no bana e ebe se ke ni joking apa you lose ima bi ege sta na wa no
hello mommy
o sai ti we
hello mommy yori atokpe ko yire gwe iye digwe Iye láwo àwa nínú ya de sin o pa wo wari ọmọ ta mi mama wo mu ọmọ ta mo pa wo wari je
o wa ai o wa gbe no na pa yo wari o wa ga gbe no na pa yo wari
iye ma wo ere gwe no de o ye na mana ki ma ere gwe mana we se to mana we aku ma me ku fune ọmọ ta ma wo ma e o ye na de igwe na o ta ma wo ma e ko be me ro yin ga yin ya de mi o ihe adini na woma eni esesin ye me lawa se me lawa no ya de even family je yan kole omo pike ko wa fifo be igbe wa wo meje imeri ra esin je meri esin ya teke lawo je no bi no je
dada no wa ka guyi dada no hi
no de ma me gwi no de mana we seto ma o ya gwi hire ma we seto
ada fa we na una go yo pa wa stage ya
ye ka le sendi we yo pa ma se ma ka le sendi we voice coordinator mo wi temi na we deri na we ma wa me ati we ma ju na wa ma ni kolore a na wo ni kolore lene aide agbeje me ti a tra ni ko bo to mo so me gbeje
iyo pa wa eva stage a be to that one stage ke we na vie
no iyo pa ma ye
o ka pa yo wa we ki ari o pa ka e pa yo wa re jo na pike koli wa
I'll day, I'll.
Make up by one day.
I may try that.
Nuga Ivana Bill no de what am I? Then what at all? Then no time I'll matter, but I be general.
I will not only marry my wife, but yes, so you marry my big man, my big man, you carry on winning my hair where you need my ways of in your duking, and my mother for my love ye.
Who are big man? Why are you now? Why are big man? No, now we are not doom.
Ije mama ma big man wala dene o ya wa do ahun video ma wa be bigire na re pa ma wa e dini ma we e ma le degbe lawo wa ma le ewe o ma pa ehun si ma wa ya re ma no ma pa mama e ma ka le mo wa pa de ane ini ma pa ma ehun do ma pa ma le set ma de ani ma e ka le mo ya mo ma de
oni se wa e mo wa ko e o ke no ya relax ji oni se Only say, why you one ya zojera wa vakari okpa.
Yeah, na gba won ya 4 months or 3 months.
Nu wa ki ari okpa de ke ni e ka aje.
Italy maraje ye we ke mi na maleke ni wa to do ni wa bi o do no we e o ye ko ni makuku do adigian.
Beta wa wege o temata ege o
wege titut no ege ere mana na ege eri mereje sisni alele ma Europe yale ao because you ibe yale we Facebook ni mo ojo ni makare wo wa me koje kan ila wo ma ire ni ba mo ma he love he man am yo wa gbegbe mi wi si omo aniyan ni adomu
wa gbegbe wa because my mother for why go regbete no sesi ni wa gbegbe wa do na do pa ko mo yi wa fi omo ni wa go re government do mo wa gbegbe wa e mother for we won e vie we take WhatsApp ya ye la WhatsApp si ya o la WhatsApp ya
WhatsApp no ye
ye lala ni adaga no ya lala ni se
ene okogo ya pare ne o'clock
now o'clock wo bi na
obiera yo me tamone se video wi de yo tamone se video
meta wa se 3 days ne now o'clock ya pare na o gbe na ba fi owo ya gbegbe we wa ye ra mi ye
la wo me no je iwe mo
Why video call ni beg you? Why video call? Mo ye video call ni beg you. Oya mo ye video call. Mo ye video call. Megale jaji. Mo ye video call. Oya mo yo. Oya wa gbon yo mi ma believe you. Mo ye video call. O ma ke fake ri no. Fake. O wa ku ta we fake no. E ri wa on. Jana. Fake na here. E ri no na. One love that for I via other worry. Oni say unyo gbe o kan wa kin oni say go ma wa ti e fake.
Baba, iye kaka mo wa yan ko si e. Ba ime ni gbona je si e.
Uno ya suje.
Iye
23 years old. Ore won oni say ai tawo agbegbe we wa. Ore. Uno la la ni senti. Uno ego. Uno ego ya la la ni se uno ego.
Uno ego no pa 9 o'clock.
That is uno WhatsApp oge uno ego ya la la ni. Uno ego.
That is o'clock. You share the voice record in send the game, but more send the wo dey gbe.
Okay, I'll check the voice record. O ma reply we. O we na vie na.
No.
Oragbona as far we said the voice record the ona down your oragbon one oragbon ga oga do ko jeben we gi do vie na even ye mare lani ori one you're this virgin where you're this virgin where
Hello.
Even you're this virgin where okay Uka this virgin no pay on. Hey vie one. Only say vie.
Okay.
Hey vie you wa. One go wet here. No send no bag go me top of met here. Dom.
Off
Odela no rejo. Where relax. One no we ya vie na wa name. Only say why ever we marriage in here? Why ever we marriage in here?
We mate plan
You only say e come time me we rock mama we o me kenoje ori wa won o te so do get on we relax e we anything go be no we mo se e o we na wo gba o re wa mo je mu yen arun do pe agbegbe wa arun do da fun wo na gbegbo a eyin mi re uri ado we na e forgive you we so ago mo na da fun we meri o wa na we ye be masoma no wu ye be masoma no hospital wu kun mi ai vie na be kun mi na mommy you you say me I tell her me call police go re mami o da finye I want to get police in a baba now a real love in Akinana. This is strong love. A real love it teje vegenete. Na imie vegena no okokiza. This is original love. When so you got tiame no wa ita we mom jo ruwe tiage man be dero. No te meja je gwen wa bege committee. E wa be so e ruwe tiage e panoritali. Iye ti commonalize me. Be me ga tian na we to buwe mo yerun. Okay? Committee do ta na wona mama ta wa no o me u me mi tante. This is original love. Odo manare de yo wa vie ari e vai. Hello.